What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Cost Custom. So today I got my Progressive 430 shocks in for my 2019 Road Glide. The stock suspension, it's basically a dummy shock on the right side of the bike, and I keep bottoming out, riding two up and stuff. So I'm going to post a video on how to install them and what I think of them. So step one is going to be jacking up the bike and getting the wheels off of the ground, or putting blocks under it to keep the swing arm from falling all the way down when you go ahead and take the shocks off. Then you're going to want to remove your bag, so unscrew your two bag screws on the inside. You're going to want to set them on like a piece of cardboard so they don't get scratched or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll get back to the next step. So now you're going to want to undo the 19mm bolts top and bottom. I would recommend doing one side at a time and putting the new one on and then moving on to the other, just so the swing arm doesn't fully drop out. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and take the bolts off. And that's one, and do the same thing for the bottom. Then you're going to want to go ahead and install the collars. So they're going to go in this way, and the collar portion is going to be towards the inside of the bike to offset the spring a little bit, and it's going to look like this. You're going to go ahead and just tighten your bolts and use the large washer here. So now yourself, your passenger, and all of your gear, you're going to get on the bike, and you're going to measure from center of the bolt to center of the bolt, and you want it at 11.25 inches. So you're going to adjust this righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Going tight, righty, you're going to take away or add more height to it. And if you loosen it, you're going to take the height or the distance from here to here and lower it. Then when you're done, you're going to go ahead, you're going to put your bags back on and take it out for a test drive. So these shocks are definitely an upgrade to the factory suspension. Like I said, the one side is just a dummy shock, and it's basically just spring pressure. There's no gas or anything in there. It really doesn't do much, and I also heard, and I can see why, but it tweaks the rear swing arm and causes those bushings and stuff on the right side to go bad. I highly recommend it. It is a huge upgrade, way better ride, and I don't get, bottoming out over small bumps, anything like that. And I know that the suspension is going to last and, perform like it should. So I definitely recommend it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.